Okay, today we will see interactive mode and script mode in Python. What is script mode method and interactive mode method in Python? What is the difference between these two things? Okay, let's see first what is Python. Python is a okay. First we will see what is Python, then Python IDLE, Python debugging, interpreter. What is the meaning of interpret? What is program? Interactive mode in Python. Then we will discuss script mode in Python, syntax and syntax errors, print statement in Python, comments in Python. Okay, so what is Python? Python is a high level language, scripting language with object oriented features. Python is a general purpose interpreted language which is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Now, IDLE is an acronym of Integrated Development Environment, or you can say IDLE stand for Integrated Development Environment. It allows you to edit, run, browse, and debug Python programs from a single interface. Script mode is used to create and edit Python source code. Now let's see the debugging. Debugging and reducing bugs, or you can say it is the process of finding and reducing the number of bugs and defects in the programs. Interpret means to execute a program in a high level language by translating it one line at a time. You can download Python IDLE from the official website of Python, that is www.python.org. Okay, now let's see the program. As you know, the set of instructions that specifies how to perform a computation, that is called program. The computation might be mathematical or working with text. To write and run Python program, we need to have Python interpreter installed in our computer device. IDLE is the standard most popular Python development environment. This environment makes it easy to write programs. Now let's see the interactive mode in Python. Interactive mode, as the name suggests, allow you to interact with operating system. Here you can type a Python statement and the interpreter displays the result immediately. When you launch IDLE, the interactive mode opens by default. It displays a welcome message of Python interpreter with revision details, and the Python prompt, that is www www, that is uh, triple greater than symbol. Okay, like this. Wait a minute. Okay, this one, console. When you click on console, okay, this is a primary prompt indicating that the interpreter is expecting a Python command. Interpreter use prompt to indicate that it is ready for instructions. Therefore, you can say if there is a prompt on the screen, it means ideally is working in interactive mode. You type Python expressions or statement or command after the prompt, and Python immediately responds with the output of it. Let's play with interactive mode. Okay, just print hello Python message. Hello Python. Okay, then hit enter. Then you will see the immediately result. Okay, immediate result, that is hello Python. Okay, control D or quiet is used to exit the interpreter. Okay, to exit from the command prompt from interactive mode, you just simply type exit, then bracket and click on press enter to exit. Okay, then now, apart from writing simple commands, we explore the interpreter more. Okay, uh, type credit, credits, credits, credits. When you type credits, you will get the information about the organization. Okay, let's see. You can see thanks to CWI, CNRI, BOpen.com, Jope Corporation, and a cast of thousands for supporting Python developments. See www.python.org for more information. Okay, you will get the information about the organization involved in Python development. Similarly, type copyright, copyright, copyright command and hit enter. Then you will see the copyright 2001 2018 Python Software Foundation, all rights reserved. Copyright 2000 B open.com, all rights reserved. Copyright 1995 to 2001 Corporation for National Research Initiatives, all rights reserved. Copyright. Okay, you can see the more information. Okay, let's see one more command, license. license. Okay, type the license command, then you will see the license. Okay, if you want any help, then you can type the help command on Python. It can be used as help with nothing in parentheses will allow us to enter the interactive help mode. Okay, now close this from. Now let's see the script mode. What is script mode in Python? Script means script writing script or writing the Python statement in a file. Okay, in script mode you type Python program in a file and then use the interpreter to execute the content from the file. Working in interactive mode is convenient for beginners and for testing and for testing small pieces of code, as you can test them immediately. But for coding more than few lines, you should always save your code so that you may modify and reduce the code result produced by interpreter in both the modes, that is interactive mode and script mode, is exactly same. Okay, in okay, now open a file, blank file. Now type the Python statements in this file. Print, we want to print hello. Okay, now save this file. Save save as p program1 pr1 dot py. Okay, save the file with the name pr1 dot py. Then click on write. Okay, now open this file. Now run with this play button. Okay, save with small letter. Okay, okay, copy this file. Now open a new file, blank file. Paste the command. Save this. Okay, type hello dot py. Click on this. Okay, now your file saved. Now run this. it qedit only support to preview execute the following file type .py .sh okay. Let's wait a minute. Okay, now let's write some Python statement. Here I import time and initialize the time. Then I want to print the start time. Okay, I want to check the how much time taking to run this code. Okay, so here is a program that is I want to concatenate two strings. Okay, concatenate means add adding two strings. Okay, and next thing is I want to repeat 8 times. You can repeat any string. Okay, then print a plus b, print a star b, and time dot time, print and time total time taken equal to and time minus start time, then time taken. Okay, now click on play button. Then this will gives you the result. You can see hello Python, hello. Okay, now total time taken is 0.0165. Okay, this is the script mode. Okay, in Python. Now thanks for watching. Wait a minute. Now recap this. Python is what? Python is a high level scripting language with object oriented features. The script mode is used to create and edit Python source code. Python shell can be used in interactive mode and script mode. In both cases you can use. Script means you just write the number of Python statement in a separate file, then you have to run that code. Okay, in interactive mode you can uh, simply type the Python statement and then execute. That is, in interactive mode you can't save the Python statement, only you just interact with the Python statement. What is the result being produced by the Python prompt. Okay, now thanks for watching.